开始了，这里还没开始。Hello。才行。怎么进去啊？有声音。Hello, welcome. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our live stream. I am Carrie, the sales director of Washi Company, and I have been working here for more than 10 years. And this is Cindy.
Hello.
It is a great honor for us to have the chance to introduce you our company. If you are interested in our company and the machines, please, you can click the top to visit our store. We will have a special discount for our store fans. You can click the follow button on top to visit our website. Also, if you want to know more about our company and details, you can click the Get Catalog button below to contact with our sales manager. And we will send you our latest catalog regarding our machines and the company to you, so you will have a better understanding of our company. Now we are standing in front of our factory plants. Let's go inside.
Here you can see the building in front of us. This is our factory plant. Harry, can you introduce the layout for us?
Yeah, sure. As you can see, this is the first floor of our plant. On the first floor, we will have the welding workshop, mainly for producing the main body of the machines. Also, we have the painting workshop and the machining workshop, and this is the assembly workshops. And on the second floor, we will have the warehouse for the machines in stock. And on the third floor, we have the standard welding machine showroom and the test welding area, and also the electrical component assembly workshops.
Harry, what are we going to show to our customer today?
And today, we are going to show you around our factory workshops, and we will introduce you mainly the IBC cage frame production line and the condenser production line for refrigerator. And these two lines are ready for shipment for Russia and Egypt. And we are going to show you the functions of each machine one by one, so you can see the process, how to make a complete product here.
If you want to make this kind of products, it would be a great moment for you to see the whole process here.
Yeah, sure. Besides our engineer, we also give you the professional advice on the machine model selection. Only you need to send us the detailed requirement by your company, like the drawings, indicating the material and the thickness, welding precision, minimum and maximum size of the products. Then we will come out with the customized suitable proposal and quotation for you. So if you have any inquiry about the welding machines and automatic machines, please don't hesitate to contact our sales manager. We will contact with you as soon as possible.
So welcome to leave your comments here. Any questions, we will answer to you directly. Hey Carrie, shall we have a look at our machining workshop first?
Sure, let's go to the machining workshop.
How many machines are there on our machining workshop now?
Now we can see this is our machining workshop. We have 7 milling machines here and 5 lathe machines here, 2 wire cutting machines and 5 CNC machining centers.
For machining parts, do we all make it here?
For most of the mechanical parts, we are making by ourselves, so we can have a better quality control of the parts. These are the CNC machining center for producing the parts with high precision requirements.
Wow! What are these machines?
This is the gantry milling machine, mainly for producing the large flat tables to ensure the flatness of the part.
Wow, it must be very expensive.
Yes, our company has invested a lot in the processing equipment. So in order to ensure the quality of the mechanical parts.
What's the total covering space of our factory?
Here you can see this is our assembly workshop. Actually, we totally have 2 factories. This factory located in Guangdong, Huizhou. We have 10,000 square meter plants here, mainly for producing the resistance welding machines and some customized automatic machines. Also, we have another factory in Jiangxi province. We have 50,000 square meter plants there, mainly for producing the robots and some customized machines.
So we all design the machines by ourselves?
Yes, we have our own professional engineering team. We have more than 20 engineers regarding the mechanical and electrical engineering. Most of them got more than 10 years experience in the welding industry. And totally we have more than 200 employees now.
So One of our topics today is the IBC cage production line. Carrie, can you introduce the machines one by one?
Yeah, sure. Here you can see this is the IBC cage frame sample. And this is made of the tubes. Normally, there are 20 pieces of the round vertical tubes and 5 pieces of the horizontal tubes and 1 piece of the P-shaped horizontal tube. The diameter of the tube is around 18 mm with 1 mm wall thickness. If you want to have the stronger frame, you can increase the thickness of the tube. And the material of the tube is DX51D. It is a kind of galvanized steel tube. Firstly, we need to weld the tube into flat mesh. Then we need to bend the mesh into square tube, the square frame. After that, we need to lock the edges of the tube with each other. And finally, we need to do punching of the hole making on the bottom tube so it can be fixed on the base frame. Welcome to our live stream. So now we are going to operate the machines for you one by one, so you can see the whole running process of this line. First, this is the welding machines for the tube. You can see there are 2 layers of the fixture. First layer, we will load the materials on it, and then the fixture will go into the welding position automatically. At the same time, we can load the material onto the second layer of the fixtures. So the two fixtures can work at the same time to save the time.
Hello, welcome.
Now you can see the welding process of the parts. For the welding machines, we are equipped with the machine with 4 sets of the MFDC power source.
Hello, welcome
and
to
6
our live
spots
stream.
can be welding at the same time. But now we are using only 3 heads welding first, because we don't have that much of the power grid in the factory. If your factory has enough power, you can weld the 6 spots at the same time to save the time. Normally, it would take about 60 seconds to finish the welding of the mesh. And the total time for finish one product, it would take about 90 seconds. So you can produce about 320 pieces of the product in one shift, 8 hours.
Hello, welcome to our live stream.
Now after welding, the mechanical arm will pick up the mesh and move it to the rotary table.
Welcome to our live stream. Hello, welcome to our live stream.
And now the table will move the mesh to the bending machines automatically. After loading, the bending machine
Hello,
will do
welcome to
the
our
bending
lesson.
of the parts automatically.
Hello, welcome to our live streams. Hello, Carrie. Here comes the questions. Can we wear 6 balls at the same time?
Yes, sure. This machine is equipped with 4 sets of the power source, so it can do the 6-spot welding at the same time. Now you see, after bending, the mechanical arm will pick up the frame from the bending machine. And
Hello,
then the frame will be moved to the locking station.
Welcome.
Now the locking machine will do the locking of the edge of the frames.
Hello, welcome to our live stream.
So after locking, the mechanical arm will come and pick up the frame again. Then the frame will be moved to the punching and hole making station. So the machine will start to do the punching and hole making.
Hello, welcome.
So this is the whole process of the frame making. So finally, the mechanical arm will pick up the final product and place it to the unloading area. And the feeder will move automatically to unload the frame to the next process. Maybe you will connect the line to the detection line. So this roller will automatically move the frame into the next station.
Thank you for your likes.
So if you have any questions regarding our machines, please
Hello,
don't hesitate to leave your comments. Our engineers will also help to answer your question on site.
Hello, Carrie. Here comes the questions. How many people do we need for automatic line, and how many people do we need for symmetrical line?
Actually, for the full automatic line, you will require about 3 persons to operate the whole line. And if you choose to use the semi-automatic line, only we will cancel this mechanical arm. And it will require 6 to 7 people to operate the whole line. So we can design the line according to your requirements. If you want full automatic, we can send you the code for full automatic. But if you have limited budget, we can also supply you the semi-automatic line.
Welcome to our live stream. Carrie, here's another question. Can we wet 6 spots at the same time? And how many pieces we can produce per day?
For the whole process of the frame making, it will take about 90 seconds to finish one product. So in one day, one shift, 8 hours, you can produce 320 pieces. So these are all the final products of the frame. You can see the welding quality of the parts is very strong.
Hello, Carrie. Here comes another question. Is there any consumable parts for this line? What is the service life of
for this line, the consumable part is the electrodes. Let's go and see the electrodes. These are the electrodes. This is the consumable parts of this machine. So after welding certain pieces, you need to grind it. And normally, one set of the electrode you can use about half years. And for the bending and the punching machine, you will have the punching pins and also the cutters will be the consumable parts. We will give you the spare part list if you need. So you can prepare some consumable parts when placing the orders. And let me introduce you some promotion that we will do within this month. The promotion period is from November 18th to November 30th. If you can place the order of this line within this period, we will give you first free charge of one set of the consumable parts. And I have mentioned just now, the consumable parts including the electrodes and the punching pins and some cutters. And secondly, we can extend 1 year's warranty for the whole line, for the controller and the transformer. Normally, the whole line warranty is 1 year only. But if you can place order within this month, we can provide you 2 years warranty for the controller and the transformer. And this is the main parts of this machine. Thirdly, we can give you the free charge of the chiller. The chiller is also a must for the welding machine to cool down the electrical parts and the electrodes.
Welcome to our live stream.
So also we will give you one chiller for free, and the cost will be about 1,800. So if you have the plan to purchase this line of machine, it will be a good time for you to place the order. So please, if you want to know the details of the machines and the quotation, please click the number 2 link and send inquiry to our sales manager. We will send you the detailed quotation, including the technical proposals, so you can have a better understanding of this line. Now we will see the welding process again. Hello? Just now we just give you the promotion activity for the IBC machines. Also, we have some other promotions, and we will introduce to you later.
So welcome to our live stream.
So if you want to know more promotion activities for our machines, please contact with our sales manager as soon as possible.
Hello, Carrie. Here comes another question. Can we use? Do we have base frame welding machine and base pipe bending machine?
Yes, we also produce the base frame welding machines. But for this line, this Russian customer, they don't need the metal pellets. They are choosing the plastic one, so they are not buying the base frame welding machine. But we can produce the base frame welding machine. And if you want to see, we can show you later.
Hello, Carrie. Lisa has another question. This promotion only for IBC machines for suitable for. Oh.
Yes, just now I explained we have many promotion activities within this month, and just now we just introduced you the promotion activities for the IBC frame production line. Also, we have some promotion for the standard welding machine and the condenser line. We will introduce to you one by one later. Or you can send us your inquiry.
Hello,
by clicking
welcome
the
to our
link
live streams.
on the left
Welcome.
button. The number 2 line link is for the IBC cage frame.
Welcome. Hello.
And if you want to know more detail about other machines, you can click the related link to send us inquiry.
Welcome.
We will have our sales manager to give you the more professional reply.
Hello. Welcome to our live stream. Harry, can we send engineers to help installation and training? How many people require? Any exchange?
Yes, for now, we can arrange the engineers to help installation and training in your country. Normally, for this complete line, we will send 2 engineers there. And of course, there will be some extra charges, including the round-trip ticket, accommodations, and $150 per day will be extra charge for the engineer.
And Harry, another question is, do we have English interface for the machine? And
Yes, sure.
English manual?
Sure. We customize this line for the overseas market, so of course we will have the English interface. All machine will have the English interface, so the customer can understand the process. And if you have the requirement to have other language interface, you can also tell us. We can customize the interface for you. Of course, we will also send you the full English manual and operation videos, so you can have a better understanding of the installation requirements and the operation process. Also, if you do not need our engineers to go to your country to help installation, we can also provide you the online service, online training and online installation and training. We have our professional engineer team to help, including the mechanical and electrical engineer. They will also help you to solve any problems that you face when receiving the machines. So if you want to know more details about our company and the machines, please do not forget to follow us on the top by clicking the follow buttons. Also, you can click the link to send us inquiry. So now we will repeat our promotion again. The first promotion is to give you one set of the free consumable parts, including the electrodes, punching pins and cutters, and some other consumable parts. Secondly, we will provide you 2 years of warranty for the controller and the transformer. Normally, this service is extra charge, and the value is about 5% of the total price of the machine. And number 3, we will give you 1 free charge of the chiller, and it is a must for the welding machine, and the cost will be about $1,800 US. So if you have the plan for the purchasing of this line, it will be a good time for you to place order. And please note that the period is between November 18 to November 30. So now we will see the loading of the pipe again on this machine. It will need 2 persons to load the pipe onto the fixture manually. The hole size of the tube mesh is about 1 meter by 4 meters. The width is 1 meter and the length is 4 meters. So after loading of the pipes onto the fixture, then the operator will press the start button. Then the fixture will move to the welding position automatically.
Hello, welcome. We have an update line of this machine. If you are interested in our machine, please click into the production line and send your inquiry to us.
Yeah, if you want to know more about other machines, you can also leave your comment and we will show you other machines as well if you need. company has started the business since 2006, so we have rich experience in terms of the welding and other kinds of automatic industry. If you have any requirement about the automation, you can send us your inquiry, and our engineers will give you our professional advice. Also, we will come out with the professional technical proposal according to your requirements. Like this line, we are special customized for a Russian customer. So after the show, we will pack the machine and deliver to Russia next week. So if it is a great chance for you to have to see the whole process now. And now the fixtures will move back and the operator can load the material again. So the whole process will be continued. And this is the cycle working. When the machine is doing bending and locking, and the welding machine will do the welding at the same time. So the whole process is continuous. So as to save the time. Our factory is specialized in the customized machines. So if you have any welding requirements, you can send us the details or send us the samples. And we will do the free welding test for you. If you need, we can take the test welding videos and photos, including the pictures of the welding parameters. After that, we will send the samples back to you for you to check the welding quality. So if you have any requirement for welding, you can just contact with our sales manager. This full automatic line is already a very mature technology for our company. So you will have the quality ensured for the machine. And as you see, we have shown you some continuous working of the line, and it is smooth and high efficiency. If you want to save labor cost, and it will be a good option for you to choose the full automatic line. It only needs 3 persons to operate the whole line. So you can save the labor costs and increase the production efficiency. You see, this is the locking process. And now, the machine will do the locking of the edge of the frame automatically. So after the locking process is done, the mechanical arm will come and pick up the frame again and move to the next station. And this is the punching and hole making process of the base frame. The hole making process is for locking the frame to the base frame. And you can choose the plastic base frame or the metal pellet base frame. It's no problem for both options. So at the last step, the mechanical arm will come again and pick up the frame and then move it to the unloading area. Now the unloading feeder will unload the frame to the next station automatically. You can connect the line to the detection line or other process if you need. You see, this is the final product of the line. I think that's all the information for the IBC cage frame. If you want to see more process, we can show you next time.
Carrie, another topic today is the condenser production line.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you explain the working process to us?
Okay. Now we are going to introduce you another production line. It is also the most popular line in our factory. And this line of machines, we are ready to ship to Egypt. Firstly, we will show you the samples. This is the samples of the wire-on-tube condenser for refrigerator. It is made of the steel wires and the serpentine tubes. We need to weld the wires onto the tubes. So now our engineer will show you the welding process of the condenser. So after loading of the wires and tubes onto these fixtures, then the operator can press the start button and the fixture will move to the welding position automatically. The structure is the same like the IBC cage frame machine. And for this machine, we can do welding of two pieces of product at the same time. Hello, if you want to get our product catalog, please click the green button below to get catalog from our sales manager. You can share your email address. It will be more convenient for us to send the catalog for you because the file is a little bit big. Please leave your email address to us and we will contact with you as soon as possible. For these customers, their product is small, so we can do welding of 2 pieces of the condenser at the same time. If you have the big products, we can recommend you the suitable size of the machine because this is customized machine. We can design the width and length of the machine according to your actual requirements. You see, this is the loading process of the condenser. We will need the magnetic wire filling tools to load the wires onto the fixtures manually. So after loading of the wires, and then we will need to load the tubes onto the fixtures. Now the engineer is showing you how to load the wires onto the magnet wire filling device. So if you have some workers who is experienced in this, the speed will be faster. For this line, we also have the promotion for this line of machines. And if you have any purchasing plan, we will also have the promotion like November 18th to November 30th. If you can place order within this period, you will also get a free charge for 1 set of the welding mold. And this is about $2,000 US. Second, we will get a warranty for 2 years for the controller and transformer. And this is about 5% value of the total cost of the machine. Besides, if you can send us your drawings, we can provide you the free design and according to your products. Number 4, we will give you 1 set of the free charge trailer. It costs about $1,800 US. So if you have the plan for purchasing this line, please contact our sales manager. Also, you can have a short screen of our promotion activity and send to our sales manager, and so you can enjoy the promotion. Of course, you need to follow us to be our store fans, so you can enjoy this discounts. Now you can see this engineer is loading the serpentine tube onto the fixture. We have so many of these machines to different countries like India, Pakistan, Russia, Indonesia, Colombia, etc. And also this is one of the most popular machines in our company. This condenser is made for the refrigerator. If your company also wants to make this kind of product, you can send us the detailed drawings, and we will give you the customized technical proposal and quotation accordingly.
Hello, Carrie. Here comes the questions. How many heads will be required for me, and how you can quote for me?
And for the welding electrodes, it is designed according to your product drawings. So you need to tell us the maximum size of your product. Then we can, our engineer will calculate how many heads do you need for welding the whole product.
Okay, thank you. Hello, here comes another question. Can we weld two pieces at the same time?
Yes, as you can see for this machine, the customer weld two pieces of the product at the same time. We can also design the machine to weld 4 pieces or 1 piece according to the maximum size of your product. Any requirement that you have, you just tell us. We can customize the machines for you.
Okay, thank you. And I have another question is, what is the power source of this machine? Power source.
For this machine, we are using the MFDC power source. It's called medium frequency DC power source. It's the most advanced power source technology in the resistance welding. It's compared with the AC machine, AC power machine. DC machine will be more stable and especially suitable for welding the condenser, because the tube is with the copper coating. So the welding efficiency will be more higher and it is more stable, especially when your country or your area has the high fluctuation of the voltage. This machine will still output the stable DC current, so it will not affect the welding quality of your product. So the deflection of the final product will also be less. So for some areas like India, we will suggest the customer to choose the DC power. And if it is necessary, we will suggest you to install the stabilizer in your area to make the machine more stable.
Okay. Harry, I'm so confused that why there are two features.
Yeah, There are two layers of the fixtures in the machine. When one fixture is under welding process, and the worker can prepare the material onto the second layer. So the two fixtures can work at the same time to save the time.
Okay, Lisa has another question is, how many pieces of tube we can bend at the same time?
It depends on the tube diameter of your product. If your product is 4.76 millimeter, we have the bending machine which can bend 12 tubes at the same time. It will increase the efficiency a lot. And for the complete line, we have other machines like the wire cutting and the tube cutting and the tube bending machines. We will show you the machine one by one. Yeah, the machines are water cooled. We have the water chiller to cool down the electronic parts and also the welding heads, so it can ensure the welding quality, and also it will protect the electrode to make it the service life will be longer. And the temperature for the water normally will suggest about 25 degrees. The power source of this machine is DC, MFDC power. Actually, our company, we have 3 types of the different power: AC and MFDC and capacitor discharge DC power. But for the condenser, normally customers will choose the MFDC power because it is more stable and electricity saving. It uses only about 30% of the electricity than the AC machines. So it will help you to save the production cost.
Harry Brown has another question.
Now you can see the welding quality of the final product. It is very beautiful and firm welding. So, hello Brian. If you have different model of condenser, you can still use the same machine. Only when you place the order, you need to tell us your maximum size of the product. We will design the machine according to your maximum size. So for all the models that within this dimension, you can use the same machine. Only you need to change the fixtures. You see the quality of the wires is very strong. There is no loose welding. for the final product. The rejection rate is also very low for our machine because the DC power is very stable.
Carrie, what's the consumable parts of this machine?
The consumable parts of this machine is only the electrodes. For electrodes, you need to grind it after a certain time of using. It is better to clean the surface of the electrode regularly to make it flat and no dirt on it to ensure the good quality of the welding. And this is the fixtures. Fixtures is used to fix the wires and tube before welding. So for different dimensions, for different size, you will need the different fixtures.
If you are interested in our machine, please click into the product line and send inquiry to us.
Yes, for this machine, the air compressor is required because we have the cylinder to drive the head to do welding. We will suggest you to choose the screw type air compressor. So just now we show you the whole welding process of the condenser. And next, we will introduce you some other machines to produce these products, like the wire cutting machines. So let's go. Now you see this wire cutting machine is ready. This is the high-speed wire cutting machine. And this is the machine that's suitable for the small wire, like 1.1 to 1.5 millimeter. And you can set the length that you want to cut on this touch screen. And then the machine will do the wire cutting automatically. Now our engineer will show you the process. This is the high-speed wire cutting machines. The speed is about 100 meters per minute. It is about 5 times speed higher than the normal machines. So you don't need to buy more machines and more people to operate the machines. And one high-speed wire cutting machine will equal to 5 sets of the normal speed wire cutting machines. And you can see the decoiler is motor drive, and it will work with the high-speed wire cutting machine together. And this machine is servo drive. We use the servo motor to drive the machine, so the wire cutting precision will be more high. The cutting precision is about 0.5 millimeters.
Hello, Carrie. What is the speed of this machine?
The speed is about 100 meters per minute.
Okay, thank you. If I have bigger diameter of wire, can we use the same machine for different diameter? Shall we change the guides?
Yes. We have We have different models for the wire cutting machines. For this model is our smallest size. It can do the 1.1 to 1.5 millimeter wires. Also, we have other bigger diameter machines like 2 to 4 millimeter, 3 to 5 millimeter, and 5 to 7 millimeter. So if you have different wire diameters that you want to make, you can choose different type of the models. You cannot share the same machine to make a big range of the wire diameter.
Okay, thank you. And how many dies will you provide for free?
Normally, we will give you 3 size dies for free. So when you place the order, you need to tell us the wire diameter you want to process, and then we will prepare the dies accordingly.
Carrie, can you explain to us how to program this machine?
Yes. Now we will ask the engineer to show you how to do the program.
怎么操作？英文界面。英文界面。Please wait later.
Here you can select the language of the machine. You can select English, and then the controller will be English interface. Now you can see the page of the programming. You can set the wire feeding speed and the cutting length according to your needs. Then the machine will operate and cut the wire according to your requirements. It is very easy operation for this machine. Now you can see the wires that we cut just now is very straight and the precision is good. Okay, so this is our high-speed wire cutting machines. If you want to know more details and quotation of this machine, please don't forget to send the inquiry to our sales manager. We will send you the technical proposal and quotation accordingly. And most of the models we have in stock. So if you want to have fast delivery, we can arrange the machine in stock for you. And now let's go to see another machine for making the tube.
Okay, let's go. Follow me.
Now, this machine we see is the tube straightening and cutting machine, and this is the decoiler. We feed the tube into the tube straightening and cutting machine. Then the machine will do the cutting automatically. So now we will show you the operation of this machine. It will cut the tube in the round shape, so the tube will not be pressed into flat shape. So after cutting, the edge is very flat and round. You can see the cutting edge. It is wrong.
Hello, Carrie. Lily has a question for this machine.
Yes.
What diameter of tube we can make in this machine?
For this machine, normally customer will choose to make the 4.76 millimeter or 6.35 millimeter. And maximum it can do up to 10 millimeter. Only you can change the different molds for making different diameter of the tube.
And what material of tube can we make in this machine?
Normally, this machine is made for the bandit tube. Bandit tube is a kind of steel tube with the copper coating. And if you want to make the copper tube or aluminum tube, we can also use this machine, but different models. We have the special model for aluminum and copper tube. Do you have any questions?
Yeah.
Yes, for different diameter of the tube, you need to change the dies. Okay, after straightening and cutting of the tube, we will use this bending machine to bend the tube into serpentine shape. For this machine, you can bend 10 or 12 pieces of the tube at the same time. Now we will need the operator to feed the tube into the machine manually.
Carrie, how many pieces of tube we can bend at one time?
It depends on the tube diameter. For this tube is 4.76 millimeter. We can bend 12 pieces of the tubes at the same time. So the output rate will be higher. But if you want the full automatic machine to bend, we also have that kind of option. The full automatic machine will do the tube straightening, cutting, and bending at the same time. But the disadvantage is that only one time you can bend one tube. So if you want to save the labor cost, you can use full automatic. But if you want to increase the efficiency, then the semi-automatic will be more suitable.
Okay, I see. Thank you.
Now the machine will do the bending. For the serpentine tubes, if you have different bending radius, you will need to change the bending rollers. Hi, Lily. We also have the rotary table for the bending machine. But for the machine that we show you today, it is a fixed table. Because this machine is for making the steel tube. For steel tube, the fixed table will be more suitable. And if you are making the copper or aluminum tube, which is soft, then the rotary table will be more suitable. Because the rotary table is used to decrease the deformation of the tube. But steel tube is with the high hardness, so it will not deform easily. So there is no need to use the rotary table. Because the machine with rotary table, also the price will be higher as well.
Hello, Carrie. What's the table size? Can we make it bigger?
For our standard size of the tube bending machine, the diameter of the table is about 2 meters. We don't suggest you to make too big table because if the table is too big and the machine will not strong enough to hold the big table.
Okay, thank you.
We think that 2 meters is enough.
Yeah, I think it's bigger. It's very big, I think.
So now you can see this is the final product of the bending machine. The bending part is very consistent. The area, the inside is very flat and no deform. The edge is quite round. If you have any questions, you can leave your comments. We can answer you here directly. The table size is 2 meters. The table size.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, don't forget our promotion.
Yes, we will introduce you the promotion again for the condenser production line. Firstly, you need to follow us and be our store fans, so you will enjoy the promotion activity listed here. First, you will have a free charge for one set of the welding mold. The value is about $2,000. Second, you will have a warranty for 2 years for the controller and transformer. Normally, the cost will be 5% of the total machine cost. Number 3, you can send us your product drawings. We will give you the free design drawings according to your specific requirements. Number 4, we will give you the free charge of the chiller for the welding machine, and the cost will be about $1,800. So if you are interested in this line, don't forget to leave your message to our sales manager, or you can have a short screen of this promotion and send to us to enjoy the promotion activities here. The promotion period is between November 18th to November 30th. So please catch the time and contact us as soon as possible. 结束了吗？
Okay, thank you. that's all the information today.
Yeah, today we have shown you the complete working process of the IBC case frame production line and the Y-on-tube condenser production line. Hope you already have a better understanding of our machines and about our the capability of our company.
If you want to know more detailed information about our machine, please don't forget to leave your comments and connect our sales manager.
And if you are interested in other machines that we didn't show today, you can also leave your comments or contact with our sales manager. We will show you next time. We have more machines like the robot applications, cookware welding applications, wire mesh applications, and other automobile part applications. So I think that's all for today. If you want to get our catalog, don't forget to click the Get Catalog button and to contact us for more details. Also, do not forget our promotion activities and send us inquiries through the link.
Don't forget our tool promotion.
Okay. I think that's all for today. Thanks the time for watching and hope to see you next time.
Have a nice day.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.